The Industrial Air Contractor 4-gal. Compressor is a low-maintenance oil-free, direct drive operation powered by a 5 HP Honda OHC, OHV premium residential gas engine with overhead cam, overhead valve that provides easy starting, smoother engine performance, lower fuel consumption, and lower emissions, air throttle cylinder, and separate pilot and check valves. It includes a patented pump design with a two-piece cooling system that increases cooling efficiencies, lowers operating temperatures, and extends the life of the pump. The 155 psi max pressure enables optimum tool performance. A pontoon-style tank design with two 2-gal tanks for job site portability is equipped with a regulator, gauges, quick connect, and cushioned handle grips. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Low maintenance, oil-free, direct drive pump has a patented two-piece cooling system that extends the life of the pump. Number 2. 5 horsepower Honda OHC, OHV premium residential gas engine. Number 3. 155 psi max pressure for optimum tool performance. Application: use air brushing, blow cleaning, bolting, wrenching, brad nailing, stapling, finish nailing, framing nailing, hobby nailing, inflation, roof nailing. Number 4. Pontoon-style tank design with two 2-gallon tanks for job site portability. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.